What's going on, traders? Today is July 3rd. We have a shortened market day. However, I was able to squeeze in a trade this morning, so we're going to talk about it. So this morning at 9:31:05, I was in one Tesla contract playing the 235 puts. I was in at 235, ironically, and out at 255 for a nice $20 bill. Just a really quick trade. You can see it lasted less than a minute here. I was out at 9:31:59, so perfect there. We're going to look at the chart. So here is the 2-minute chart on Tesla. We had a huge gap up this morning, gapping from down here. Let's just call it 225 all the way up into the 239 level, somewhere around here. So this morning, obviously on a big gap up, sometimes the prices like to, people chase it a little bit and the prices bump up a little bit in the morning. So I was waiting for that. I got my entry somewhere mid-wick of the first 2-minute candle. Prices continued to move in the upwards direction, which had me a little it's scary to watch on Tesla because it's so volatile. Of course, I was in at 235. I'm sure I was down at some point $70 just in this tiny little piece of wick here, just with the volatility. But anyways, the plan did work. Just being so overbought at this point in time, there were sellers that stepped in and pushed prices back down, and essentially the gap faded a little bit here on Tesla. So I was in and out, like I said, in this first 2-minute candle, but I could have held a little bit longer, made a little bit more money on the contract. Anyways, I'm all about the quick trades, get the risk off the table as soon as possible. Obviously, you limit your reward in that sort of sense. However, this morning I was sort of playing the spread. If you don't know what playing the spread means, it means buying on the bid. So buying for cheap, you can see the contract here is worth 165, and then selling on the ask where it's now worth 168. So a bit of a difference there can get you a little bit of extra coin. So keep that in mind when you're trading something with a large spread. Try to buy on the bid and sell on the ask. If you just hit buy market, you're going to be in at 166, and then sell market, you're going to lose money selling at 158. So that's something to keep in mind when you're playing these more spready tickers instead of something with a really tight spread like SPY. So hope you learned a little something from the video. If you enjoyed it, let me know down below in the comments section. Leave the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.